Welcome back to the Candle Artist Way. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite design techniques, engraving candle vessels using the LaserPecker 5. Whether you're creating for customers or crafting meaningful gifts, engraved vessels add that wow factor that labels just can't compete with. Let's get started. Why ditch the label? A label says mass-produced, but an engraved vessel that says intentional, permanent, and artfully crafted. It becomes a keepsake, something people want to display long after the candle burns out. And let's be honest, it just looks stunning. For engraving, I recommend using matte glass vessels in the color that will showcase your design. Think context. If we are engraving a piano, then black is my go-to. If we are engraving the Chicago skyline, then navy blue is my go-to. Glossy surfaces tend to reflect too much light during engraving, making it harder to get crisp detail. It is possible to engrave glossy, and we will cover the added details in an upcoming video. I personally love the large 14-ounce colored matte vessels. They engrave beautifully and give off that clean luxe look. Next, let's hop into Canva. I design everything here first: logos, text, flowers, even pet portraits. Today we are engraving a piano design onto our candle vessel. We start by going into Canva. We are going to choose a 3.5 by 3.5 size. Once we are in, we click on the Elements tab and type in the type of design we are looking for. I am going to look through the pianos to see which one I think will engrave well. Several of these will be just fine for engraving. I am looking for nuances that the engraver can pick up while dithering. I like this one, but it is not exactly what I am looking for. I like the contrast. Next, we will download our selection as a transparent PNG. High contrast is key for a clean burn on the vessel. This design and detail that I think will work very well when it is lit and the light glows through. Next, we will upload this design to our laser engraver and dial in the correct settings. Now let's talk settings. We have imported our design into our LDS software. For glass vessels with the LaserPecker 5, we are using our Fiber 1064 laser. You can also successfully engrave with the diode on this one. Power 100%, and our depth is set to 8%. We have our width and height set to 90, which matches the size of the candle vessel. Make sure your vessel is clean and ready to go. Next, we are going to load our vessel on the rotary. We have our black candle vessel ready to go. I'm going to put this on the rotary and level it before we start engraving. The process of engraving sure creates a lot of dust. I engrave every day, so it builds up. Why did I buy an engraving machine, and why should you? At first, all I wanted was a better way to brand. I had this brilliant idea: engrave the inside of my candle lids. It felt sleek, subtle, and high-end. But once I saw the results, I wanted more. I wanted to engrave the glass itself. Let me tell you, the engraving journey wasn't smooth. I used the wrong settings. I shattered glass. Yes, that was terrifying. But somewhere between the chaos and the learning curve, I found magic. I engraved pianos onto black vessels, elegant and moody. I etched Rudolph and snowy Christmas scenes onto deep red jars and pumpkins onto warm orange glass for Halloween. These weren't just candles anymore. They were glow-through masterpieces. And that's when it clicked. This is why more people aren't doing it. Engraving has what they call a barrier to entry. A good machine costs money, the learning curve is real, and it takes time to master. But is it worth it? Absolutely. Yes, creating these beautiful works of candle art fills my heart, and my customers who discover them, they feel it too. It's more than just decoration. It's emotion, memory, meaning, carved in glass. If you need a reason, consider this: our Candle Artist's Creed. You can find it in my upcoming book, The Candle Artist Way. We will give it away at cost, so let me know if you want one in comments and I will put you on the list. It's a step-by-step tutorial for engraving and sublimating candles. And with no further ado, The Candle Artist Creed. We are not just candle makers, we are storytellers, artists, and alchemists of emotion. We don't slap on labels, we design with intention. Our messages are engraved and sublimated. Our art is infused permanently. We believe a candle should make you feel something, melts before it ever flickers to life. We ditch the sticker for the sublime. We choose sublimation over standard, engraving over ordinary, meaning over mass production. We create keepsakes, not clutter. Moments, not just merchandise. Every vessel is a canvas. Every lid a signature. Every flame a whisper of thoughtfulness. We are candle artists, and we glow differently. Our finished candle, engraved and ready to impress. No label, no clutter, just clean lines and a glowing, meaningful message. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have questions or ideas for our next project. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Next up, we're engraving logos for custom branding. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, keep glowing, candle artist, because your light isn't just seen, it's felt. See you in the next one.